So we've talked about what to do if you want to put all your information in the image. In this lesson, we're going to talk about what to do if you want to put your information in the text. If you decide to do a text-based ad, like what we have here, you need to create variation in the text. Craigslist has spiders that read over your text to see if it's duplicate content. They don't scan the entire ad though. There's two scans that happen. One scan is from the top, and one scan is from the bottom. Both scans just look at the first few lines. Because the spiders only read the first lines and the bottom lines, you only have to change these up to get past their scan. You can keep the middle for the most part the same. So you can just spend time rewording the top few lines and the bottom few lines. You can also rearrange your content to make it work. If you look here, we divided the content a little bit more granularly. So now in the middle we have 3 sections. We're now going to move the outer rectangles and switch them with the inner rectangles. This here would be enough variation to fool the spiders. Another way to save time when varying your body text is to do a technique called anchoring. Anchoring is putting random text at the bottom of your ad for the bottom spider to read. A lot of users get their random text from news articles. You can just quickly copy and paste random text every time you create an ad. You can hit the return key a bunch of times and put the anchor out of sight at the bottom of the ad. It's very fast. Once you do that, all you need to do is spend time rewording the first few sentences of your ad. Just the first 3 lines should suffice. Okay, that's it for this lesson. I just wanted to show you what to do if you go with text-based ads. All you have to do basically is pass the top scan and the bottom scan by rewording your content or just shifting your content around. Now you know what to do if you put all your information in your ad image, and what to do if you put all your information in the text. Okay, that's it for this lesson. I'll see you guys in the next one.